1. Launch CapCut and start a new project by clicking the plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen. 2. Select Create New Project and choose either Square 11, Portrait 916, Landscape 169, or Vertical 45 depending on your desired ratio. 3. You can also adjust the size of your canvas by pinching in or out with 2 fingers on your screen. If you want more control over the size of your video, canvas before importing media from your device gallery into CapCut for editing. 4. Once you're done with editing, click the check mark at the top right corner of your screen to save changes and export your newly formatted video, and voila! That's how you can change the ratio of a video using CapCut. Remember, this process can be applied to other video editing apps as well, depending on their features and options provided for customizing aspect ratios during project setup, or importing media from device gallery into app projects before editing begins. I hope this tutorial helps you in creating stunning videos with customized aspect ratios using CapCut. If you found this helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks like this one. Until next time, keep creating and have fun.